I'm Susan. Today I am participating in the Full Deck Challenge hosted by Shana of Shinoki Art. And we are to do altered playing cards. And our prompts for this week is purple and white splatters. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, I've already sanded my card. Y'all have watched me do this a few times, so I went ahead and sanded it, and I've just got a few pieces that I'm going to lay down. I love this paper, and it's already got gold. And I have got this, and I think I'm going to tear it. And I will go ahead and ink up there. And we will cut it down because I don't need that much. I hope everybody's doing good. I am doing good. Oh, sorry about that. I was uploading a video, and of course you got all the ads. So let me see here. I am going to cut that and put it down. Yeah, I've enjoyed this challenge. I love doing the small things like the altar playing cards. They're a lot of fun. I went too far. I wanted to keep the club. I don't always remember to keep the suit, but oh well. There we go. And I'm going to tear this down. I'm just going to cut that. And I'm just going to put this down like this. Like I said, I've already sanded this. It'll help the glue to stick better. And sometimes I use matte medium, but I've just hadn't fooled with getting it out. Okay. Let me go back up there and trim that down. And now I just want to decorate, and I've got a few things. Not sure what I want to use. Now, the other rules that we have is there's one item that we use in all of our 52 cards. And like Shana's is a postage stamp. Mine is stickers. And the other rule is we have to use something like this is last week's card. And we need to do something from last week, use something that we used last week on this card. And I'm going to use those staples there. So let's see how we're going to do this. I've got this I thought would be pretty here. I think that would show up pretty. Okay, so let's get that down. I am ready for springtime, y'all. There we go. And I will just trim that off. That's pretty, and that's my sticker. And I got another sticker, but I don't think it'll show up. I like that. And I have got this ticket. And I've got this, I don't know if I'm going to have room for it, this little piece of lace. This was kind of what I had thought about doing up here. and stapling it. But I don't know if I'll have room for everything else. Maybe. I kind of like that. Let me tack that down. And then I can just get it down. That's pretty. And then I can staple this. I'll just do a little crisscross. And I'll staple that down. Cute. And I think I want to add a butterfly. I like how that's kind of popping off. But I don't. Let me see if I have some dots. If not, I'll use some cardboard. Yeah, I have some dots. Because I really want the dimension. There we go. I can. They don't want to let go. There we go. Of course, I got glue all over my fingers. This is my third video for the day. And here we go. Give it a little extra added support. And add that on there. I like that. Add some dimension to it. I think that's pretty. Now all we need are our white splatters. I'll get my paper. And then also put my pen back in my glue. Oh goodness, I can't get the lid off. There we go. And I am just gonna find me a brush. See if I have a probably need to water that down. Or maybe not. Well, I'm used to my little watercolor, but I kind of like it. I hope you do as well. It's definitely some splatters. And I don't know how to, if I could take it off without just smearing it. So I'm going to leave it. Put that in some water. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all be sure and check out Shana's channel at Shinoki Art and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. There's a lot of very, very talented people. I love watching to see what they've made. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.